You're listening to Iconic Entertaining, the Tamayan Talks with JJ Duo. This episode is brought to you by our sponsors, Hadley Crochet, K3 Poultry, and the Steep Collection.
Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Welcome sa aming podcast na kung saan ang seryosong topic ay magiging not so serious discussion.
Tama!
Siya. Ako nga pala si Justin Clyde Abaygar, na pwede niyong tawaging kuya mo Jason.
At ako naman si Jazz Regine Langres or mas kilalang ate mo Jazz. And together we are the JJ Duo!
Yes, JJ Duo. Hindi kami lahat team.
Ish, yan.
Grabe siya. Pero, team kami sa daldalan.
Exactly! Kung may problems kayo, hindi namin masusolve. Pero mapapatawan naman namin kayo habang iniisip nyo yan.
For today's episode, ang pag-uusapan natin ay something serious but relevant sa society natin, unemployment.
Unemployment? Yes, unemployment is when people want to work, ready to work. Pero wala naman silang mahanap na trabaho. Parang gusto mong kumain ng pizza pero wala namang bukas na tindahan ng pizza.
Grabe naman yung explanation mo dun. Pero tama.
O pa. And to help us discuss the topic, nag-imbita kami ng 3 sa aming kaklase. Namin na mag-share ng kanilang thoughts and opinions.
Please, magpakilala kayo.
Hello po, Kuya Jason. Ako nga pala si Jessamine Dizon. Hi, thanks for inviting us. I'm Sophia Bianca Reyes.
Hello, I'm Joshua Miguel Mortega and I'm ready in this topic.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
Yun! Let's
Okay, simulan natin sa basic question. What exactly is unemployment? Sige, ikaw muna. Jessamine.
Maraming salamat po, Kuya Jason, sa tanong mo. Para po sa akin, ang employment is the people are capable to willing to find the works. Pero hindi sila makahanap ng trabaho.
so parang maraming players pero kulang yung slot sa team, no?
Tama. Yes. Pero, maraming taong nahihirapan para makahanap ng pera. Pero, wala pa rin silang mahanap na trabaho, di ba?
So, pinapakita nito ang kawalan ng trabaho ay hindi lamang trabaho. Di ba? Nakakapekto rin ito sa pang-araw-araw ng buhay ng tao, di ba?
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
And yes, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang causes ng unemployment. Sophia, bakit nga ba may unemployment?
So one of the reasons talaga kung bakit may unemployment is lack of job opportunities. Kasi there are more people looking for jobs than the jobs available.
So, parang enrollment sa courses na, na tawag dito?
Limited ang slot. So,
Yes, another reason is lack of experience. Kasi yung may mga company na gusto nila yung workers nila experience. Pero paano naman yung mga fresh graduate, di ba? Wala pang experience yun. So nagsa-struggle sila para maging hired.
oo nga eh. Ang requirements, experience needed. So, ang mga fresh graduates, saan nila kukunin yun, di ba?
Tumpak kaya nagiging challenge talaga siya for many young people eh.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
Okay, Joshua. Ano ang epekto sa iyo ng unemployment?
Unemployment can cause financial problems kasi may mga tao talaga na walang stable income.
Meaning, wala tayong pang milting yun. Ayoko yan.
Yes, even
Kaya,
yes, even simple things like that. Kasi naapekto niya yung bills, food, tsaka education.
Totoo yan.
Totoo naman.
Sobrang
Danas ko
totoo
yan
yun.
eh. Danas ko yan eh.
Talaga?
Tapos pwede rin maapektuhan yung mental health kasi may mga tao kasi nai-stress kasi wala silang trabaho.
So, unemployment affects both the wallet and the emotions.
Mhm.
Kahit ako, pag wala akong pera, talagang, ay,
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
so ang unemployment affects both the wallet and the emotions pala, no? Ako din, pag wala talagang pera, lungkot-lungkot ko talaga.
Lalo na ako.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo. Before we continue, a quick shout out to our amazing sponsors. Cuddly Crochet has all your favorite handmade crochet. K-Tree Poultry deliver fresh, high-quality products. Estate Collection brings you the trendiest accessories. Check them out and support this awesome brand. The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
Okay?
Okay. Since lahat tayo estudyante dito, pag-usapan natin ang unemployment. Jessie May, what challenge do you
Face, no? Ano bang mga problemang hinaharap mo?
Salamat po sa tanong mo, Kuya Jason. Many young graduates, it's very strong competition. And because 2,000 years, every graduates.
So parang battle royale talaga ang paghahanap ng trabaho para sa mga fresh graduates.
Dami nun.
Kapagod.
Yes. And sometimes the skills student and learn to school not fully match. And the skills required by employers.
So, pinapakita nito ang kalagahan ng tuloy-tuloy na pagtuto.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
Now, let's end this podcast with a hopeful note. Sophia, what do you think is the possible solution sa unemployment?
So, one of the solution talaga is the education. So, kailangan din mag-train ng mga estudyante para ma-adapt nila yung skills na needed sa isang company.
Internship could also help student experience.
Yes, another solution talaga is yung encouraging entrepreneurship. Kasi some people hindi makahanap ng trabaho. So, mas magandang kumita ka sa sariling business mo.
Meaning, kaysa maging job seeker ka, pwede ka namang gumawa ng sarili mong business eh.
Yes.
Marami namang business na
At saka hawak mo kasi yung time mo pag sariling business mo.
Tama.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
So ngayon natutunan natin ang employment at seryosong issue na nakaka-apekto sa maraming tao.
And ngayon, na-discuss natin kung ano ang unemployment, ang effects, at ang causes nito at maaaring solusyon para sa unemployment.
Kahit complex ang problema, awareness at preparation can help young people na harapin ang challenge na ito.
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo.
And yan, bago tayo matapos, we would like to thank our guests, Jessie May and Sophia, and Joshua Miguel.
Thank you po.
Maraming salamat
Thank you
po,
po.
Ate Jan.
Okay, thank you sa aming listeners
Mga
dyan. Solid.
listeners. Yes, and we would like to thank our sponsor for today's podcast. Unang-una dyan, ang Cuddly Crochet. Sana all may kaya ka. And sunod ang K3 Poultry Supply. Bumili na kayo dyan ng feeds ng mga alaga ninyo. And lastly, Estate Collection. Yes!
Pili na kayo doon, maraming damit doon. Kami nga pala ulit ang
JJ Duo.
Stay informed.
And stay positive. And see you in our next episode. Bye!
The Mayan Talks with JJ Duo. A big thank you again to our sponsors, Cuddly Crochet, K-Tree Poultry, and the Estate Collection. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends. We'll see you next time with more topics. See ya!